It was a really tough game, obviously, to come here and then go 1-0 up. So obviously then it's important to get back in the game before half time, I think. And then it's a case obviously, we're just saying all the time, be patient, don't panic, try and move them side to side and then obviously break them down in the end. And then obviously a bit of relief when you got the second, but obviously had to defend the lead. So it was a tough win all in all.
Really competitive, really happy. Credit to Connah's Quay, they keep going. They're relentless in what they do. They're an excellent football side. I think I've said for a few weeks now they might tip to finish second. So really proud of our lads for the performance in the first 60-70 minutes, but they wore us down.
Performance-wise, difficult because we're starting later. We then go a goal down, and I think the lads showed real character there. Because it's something that I've been quite aware of in regards to us conceding first in games, and it's not happened very often, and when it has happened we've not always got the result that we wanted to. Today we've managed to do that, and Llanelli have put on a really good performance themselves today, and I think they should take a lot of credit for that, and Jono and his staff are doing a fantastic job.
The difference is this year just obviously the squad we've got, so we've got a really good group there, obviously. So good competition for places, even though we bring the subs on, so they make an impact today, like Wesley's made an impact when he's come on. So we feel like we're in a good place, but obviously we know we've got a lot of tough games to come.
In the league, you're doing really well. That just cements sort of the run you're on at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. I think we're going okay, and we've just got to continue to go okay. Coming here, well, obviously coming to Llanelli away is difficult. Carnarvon drew in the last game, and they found it very, very difficult. But we managed to get our noses over the line today, and I think when you can bring a player on like Callum West and you can keep that under your wraps for a little bit, and he can show brilliant moments of quality and frees up Rhys Hughes and Harry Franklin, and like I always allude to, we've got a fantastic squad. I'm very grateful for that from the ownership of the football club, and long may that continue.
The goal you did get, it was 2 from Newport County combining in Sanka and Norris. Happy with the impact that they're having as lone players?
Yeah, outstanding. Nelson's growing in confidence every game, and so is Jack. He's only been in the team the last few weeks, but he's got 2 goals. His touch was phenomenal today, and is a well accomplished finish.